lost passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make a tasty coleslaw. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
In a big mixing bowl, add 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage, 3/4 cup of shredded carrot. You may reduce carrot if you want. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of unbleached organic cane sugar, 1½ teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix them all well. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. It's a perfect side dish for entrees, especially fried chicken, grilled fish, or just a sandwich. Leave it in the refrigerator and enjoy with your meal. Today I'm enjoying the coleslaw with grilled salmon fillet. Click the link above to see this recipe.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.